بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أهلا وسهلا بكم مرحبا. Welcome to you. It's me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. You may remember me in my first series, which I uploaded to the YouTube, teaching you the skills you need to be able to read and write Arabic from point zero to the level where you are reasonably fluent in reading and writing the Arabic. And thanks very much for those of you who have purchased the first book, Arabic from the Beginning, Part 1, and for your kind comment about the level that you have achieved. Thank you very much. And this new series will be, we'll endeavor together to learn the step-by-step approach of how Arabic is organized. So the DNA of the Arabic, which means you will need to learn vocabulary, words, and you need to learn the grammar. And as I told you before, Arabic grammar is very, very helpful. It is very logic. Please don't listen to anybody who tells you it is too hard. It is not. And particularly in my class, you join in my class and I will prove that to you. You just behave and listen to me. You will be fine. Together, we will learn this beautiful language and you will master it, God willing. This time, I will be using one of my books entitled The Key to Arabic, Book 2, which you can purchase, you can buy it from our website www.gatewaytoarabic.com. You will need to buy this book in order to be able to follow the lesson and do the exercises. So gatewaytoarabic.com. In the last last series, let me see whether you still remember some phrases, such as masmuka, masmuki. What's your name? To a man, masmuka. Masmuki, to a lady. Ismi, my name is Imran. Wa anta, and you, as a male. Wa anti, and you, as a female. Kayfa haluka, kayfa haluki. مثلا, for instance, here a little bit of revision for you. Kayfa haluka al-yawm. You will notice that this time I'm not using the Latin script, not transliteration, because I'm assuming you have completed the last series from lesson 1 to lesson number 18. If you have done so, you should now be able to read Arabic using the Arabic script. So, Kayfa haluka al-yawm. How are you today? Al-yawm, that is today. Kayfa is how. Hal on its own, meaning condition, the state of affairs. Ka, that is person that you were speaking to. In this case, you, male. Kayfa halu kal yawm. Now I say kal yawm, as we learn during the last series, when we are learning the skill of reading and writing, you omit this alif, you suppress it in your pronunciation. And you link the ka with l. كيف حالك اليوم? How are you today? كيف حالك اليوم? The same phrase, but this time the ending, because you are speaking to a female, so ending in ki. كيف حالك اليوم? Response from a male, طيب. طيب. Well or good. I'm good. طيب. A female will respond by saying طيبة. So for a male, I will say طيب. A female will say طيبة. Now, shortly, once we start with our explanation regarding the grammar, I will spend some time to explain this term مربوطة. Why is it that we have a male saying طيب and a female saying طيبة with addition of this term مربوطة at the end? That will become clear shortly, inshallah. بخير. بخير. الحمد لله. بخير, fine, well, in good, with goodness, I'm fine. That is very neutral. So, بخير, a male will say بخير, and a female will say the same thing, بخير. الحمد لله. Praise be to God. شكرا. شكرا. A male will say شكرا. Female also will say شكرا. It's also neutral. شكرا. لا بأس. Not bad. لا بأس. Not bad. So كيف حالك اليوم? كيف حالك اليوم؟ طيب. طيبة. بخير. الحمد لله. شكرا. Of course, you can just choose one of these. You don't have to say طيب, طيبة, بخير, الحمد لله. Just say one. So طيب for a male, or you say بخير, الحمد لله, or say شكرا, لا بأس. It's not bad. Now, أنا, again we learned in the past, أنا mean I or I am, and it's in neutral. A speaker using the pronoun is neutral in Arabic. أنا, that means I, male. I am. The same thing for female, I. أنا تعبان. أنا تعبان. تعبان means tired. أنا تعبان. So a male describing himself, that's me, I say أنا تعبان. How do you then say I'm tired today? Remember? اليوم. أنا تعبان اليوم. أنا تعبان اليوم. I am tired today. A female may say أنا تعبانة. أنا تعبانة اليوم. I am tired today. This is just quick revision before we start explaining grammar step by step. Okay, so I'm happy with the report that I received from many of you, your comment, that you are progressing very well. And in fact, many are asking me to say, let's move on. So here we are. Quick revision, and shortly we'll start the new series from The Key to Arabic Book 2, which you can buy, and I think you should buy this book as soon as you can from our website www.gatewaytoarabic.com.